Hello, welcome back to HS Autos. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a bulb on the driver's side of a Lexus IS220D. You have to remove these covers here, that's it on this area here. Removing these clips, push the tabs in, centerpiece tab in, and that'll release the tabs. You remove the air filter housing, there's two nuts, 10mm nuts, one there and one on the side there, which I've already removed. There's also a 10mm nut there that you need to remove, which releases the trunk for the air filter. And then move this to the side. After removing these two nuts, I've moved the air filter to the side. There is a plunger there on the bottom, so it's there. That plunges into the rubber down there. Okay, so there's a bit of a pull on that one that you have to do, and after that you can take this cover off and replace your bulb, which is right down there. Guys, there's the bulb. The bulb we require is a H11. Well, you can see that, and it's an anti-clockwise removal. Fits into there. Okay guys,